In this video, we are going to learn a new solid edge command called Revolve. We are going to use this command to create a cylindrical part. The dimension of this 3D component is based on the exercise given here. Right, now let's start the solid edge. So we need to click on New, then we click on GB Magic Part. So we are now in the solid edge part environment. Again, you need to double check, see whether this is orange bar is ordered. Then we can use this new command called Revolve. We draw a profile first, then we assign an axis to make a 3D cylindrical part. Click on the command. As this is a symmetrical part, so you don't need to worry about which plane you're going to use. We can choose front here. Right, we need to draw a profile here. Actually, we only need to draw a quarter of the orthographic views given in the exercise. When you first draw it, what you need to do is you only need to draw a rough dimension or rough shape using line command here. Click a line command, move your mouse to the horizontal line. When the indicator appears, click and move up. And click and move sideways, click, move. Click. Once the middle indicator appears, okay, that one appears, click, then you just get to this to attach to this. You need this indicator, the endpoint indicator appears. So now you have the closed loop. And click. Now you right click, cancel the line command. Now we need to actually go back to have a look at dimensions, assign different dimensions to this profile. So have a look at these dimensions. So basically, we draw a half from here and quarter to that part. So then we know from the middle of this one to this one is 19. Okay, and from here to here is half just 32 is a 16. We do that adjustment first. So now we go to Smart Dimension, click that one, click this one, and move up. So if you have this appears, just click across this pair. So that should be 16. Right. So that distance, that should be 19. So we need to do that first and double check whether it's 19. So the groove is 1.5. Okay. So we click this one and move up. Click one, type in 1.5, enter. This one is a 1.5 as well. Type in 1.5, enter. Right, now we can double check and see whether this dimension is 19. Okay, that's correct. Right. The next is we're going to adjust the dimension of that. You can go back to have a look at the drawing. So the groove is 6.6 diameter. This diameter of the pin is 9 here. Okay, so half the 9 is 4.5, 3.3 and 4.5. These are two dimensions. Okay, so make sure its smart dimension is still clicked. Click this one, drag it horizontally. And try to make it 4.5. Right. Okay. Now we need to actually set dimensions, distance from here to here as 3.3. Since we don't have a line here linked, so we have to use different command to set dimension, which is called distance between. All right, and we set the distance when it's highlighted. Here, click and release the mouse button, and when it's approached to the other line and it's highlighted, click. Now release the mouse button, then you can drag it and click. Right. Once you click it, if the dimension is fixed, what you need to do, you have to click on the select and click here. Then you can have the box to change the dimension. It's a 3.3. Right. Sometimes this happens because this has been fixed. If you cannot change this dimension, what you have to do, you have to go to click this one, change the dimension differently. So what I have to do is we have to click on this smart dimension and click on this one and click that one. So we need to actually set this dimension correctly. Right, so 3.3 minus 4.5 is a 1.2. Right, and press enter. So that gives you right dimension now here. So what you have here is a profile. We need to use this profile to rotate against the axis. Before we do that, we need to move to this command called axis of revolution. Click that one, click the axis here. Right, then click on this close sketch. Then you see when you move the mouse, this pin start from profile to a hole. So if you click on either enter 360 in the box or click on this revolve 360, you have the half the pin. If you click on finish, you have the pin, half the pin finished. Right. Now we can start to learn a second command called mirror to make it a whole pin. So the mirror command is here. We have two mirror commands. One is called mirror copy, and one is the mirror part. Right. The mirror copy is copy whole out. Mirror copy feature is copy feature, one of the feature. So this is a complete copy. This is a copy of the feature. So we need to use this one. Click this one, then click the one you want to copy. Click on the mirror plane. Then you have the whole pin created. Then you click on finish. Click on cancel. Then you can use the save command to save your part to the appropriate folder. Now you can see you have two items here. One is the revolved half pin. The other one is mirror. So when you want to change the dimensions of the pin, you can go to click on this one. Then you can change the profile, edit profile. That brings you to the place you can change the profile. Once you've done that one, you can click on close sketch, back to the reverse stage, then click on finish. So you have the half pin done. Then you will automatically get the whole pin. So this is how do you actually change the feature. You can change the mirror using this click on the mirror feature. So you have different features here. So we call this a feature path finder. So with this one, if you have a lot of features to add in here, then you can actually come to the specific feature to add them. That's it for this video.